what's up? Today I'll be showing you how to fill a Zippo lighter. Your Zippo. You know, no fluid. What you do, pop it out. What I do is I take this and I pretty much unscrew the bottom. This is where you put flint if you didn't know. Unscrew the bottom, take that out, take the felt pad out. Come on, and screw the front holder in. Flip the cam upside down. This is also how Cutlery Lover does it. YouTube.com/Cutlery Lover. He's a great guy. He does a lot of knife videos. I love his videos. What you want to do is you want to squirt. You want to get everything wet. Do like 5 seconds at a time. 1, 2. Wait till you see it kind of get damp. You want to get all over in there. I'll get the rayon balls. Well, that was a little too much. You don't want to see the. Oh, you might not be able to see it. No, my camera's not autofocused. You don't want to have you can see the liquid rising to the top. Oh wow! Actually, it sucked it all up. There. That's sorry about that. Just slip of the finger. Screw the front screw back in. Now what I do after I do that, I can't twist it anymore. I take my my case. I just tighten it down. Then insert back in. Flip the sham down. You're good to go. This is Fish on Outdoors, and that was how to fill your Zippo. So, if you want, rate, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.